can't even move around in here. The good news is this project's almost done. The bad news, there's still a lot left to go. I have to clean up all this nonsense behind me, most of which I plan to throw out. I'm going to go with that minimalistic theme, hopefully. Replace all the electrical outlets, touch up some paint, move the furniture around, have some lighting on order. And why do I keep waving this? Just real quick, I left this brush out last night. It had paint in it. I was supposed to clean it out, and I left it on the sink, and now, you hear that? Totally ruined. I might try to soak it in some water and see if that helps. But this was an expensive brush. I bought an expensive one because it makes painting trim easier. And it totally dorked it up. On a good note, new camera bag. That's coming up in another video. But you'll have to stick around. This is going to be a cool place for editing, gaming, whatever, watching movies. Yeah, I think you're going to like it. You'll have to stick around. A lot of things planned for this room. I need to find my computer, though. Somewhere in here is a display. There it is. It's not the one I want. Yeah. Anyways, I got to get this computer hooked up so I can edit this video real quick, get it posted, because I missed you guys. And yeah, I'm sorry this is going to be a short vlog, if you even call it a vlog. I actually tried to vlog Tuesday night, went to the Mavericks game, went through security, they took my camera from me. So you saw footage of me walking through security.
Ma'am, hold on just a second. Yeah, give me 1 second.
They want to check my camera for security.
Is this yours?
Yes.
Okay, this you will be able to take inside because it has video on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You can either check it in and pick it up before you...
And then they escorted me out when I went to pick up my camera. Different story. But anyways, didn't get any good video for that. So, yeah, it was kind of disappointing. Anyways, we'll catch you in the next video. Please be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. Lots of cool stuff coming up on this channel. Oh, all my new subs, thank you so much. The sub count keeps going up. We're going to get there. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.